Seeking knowledge about dogs? You need to watch this video. We all love to ask for advice. Sometimes we ask about our children, or a house repair, or even financial situations. Asking for advice about dogs is also great, and this video is a perfect place to start. You'll find a ton of tips which really change how you view your dog. Start training your dog as soon as you bring them home. Create a vocabulary list that all your family members will use to command the dog and stick to it. Dogs can become confused if the same words are not used to give them directions. The dog will see "get over here" and "come" as two different commands. If you are interested in providing your dog with the healthiest of diets and making positive contributions to the Earth's environment, make his food from scratch. You can buy locally grown organic ingredients and provide him all the proteins, carbs and fats he needs with no preservatives while reducing the waste from packaging as well. Do you have a wrinkly dog, like a bulldog? If so, you have to be conscientious about the grooming process in order to help keep your pet clean. After you brush, take a baby wipe and use it to get in between the folds on their body. Make sure, though, to get them fully dry after doing so. It is important to use your lifestyle as a guide to what breed of furry friend you should get. For instance, if you jog, a toy poodle may not be as great a choice as a dog that is able to run with you. If you much prefer to be at home, a small dog that enjoys a lot of inside time is an ideal choice. By selecting the right dog breed, both you and your dog will be more content. Since you asked for advice, and now have received it, the next step is to put it to use. That means truly implementing what you have learned and then enjoying the rewards it brings. When you see your dog sleeping peacefully, bliss on his face, you'll appreciate putting in the effort. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.